Yeah, that's right, Adrian. A hospital worker there has been accused of a monstrous crime, murdering the babies in her care. A house and vehicle were searched today in the city of Chester near Liverpool. The alleged murders happened in a hospital a short distance away. Tonight, some British tabloids are identifying the suspect as a 28-year-old healthcare worker who had been working with babies in the hospital since 2011. Thomas Degla has been following this story from London. Okay, what exactly is she accused of, Thomas?
Well, police have only said they suspect this woman is responsible for the murder of 8 babies and the attempted murder of another 6. They've not said how the babies may have been killed or what led them to this suspect in particular. Now, the lead detective today called this a highly complex and very sensitive investigation, and the police stressed that their work in this case is ongoing. Keep in mind, the woman is accused of killing 8 babies. There are another 9 deaths also under investigation, Rosemary.
Okay, so not saying a whole lot, but how did the police investigation come about?
Well, the management at the hospital, Countess of Chester Hospital, called in police last year because they'd noticed a spike in deaths in the neonatal care unit, specifically between June 2015 and June 2016. They knew something was wrong. Compared to 40 other healthcare networks across the UK, this hospital had the highest rate of deaths of newborns. There had already been an inquiry into that unusually high death rate, and it found no definitive explanation. That's what led the police to be called in. They've since expanded their investigation to focus on 17 babies who died, another 15 who fell ill and needed urgent care, all in 2015 and 2016.
Okay, so how are the families responding to this news?
Well, it's hard to imagine how difficult a day this must have been for them. Lawyers representing the families of 2 of the babies who died released a statement today saying the death of any child is a tragedy, but this is exacerbated in circumstances where questions remain unanswered. What the police have underscored today is that at the heart of this case, there are a number of families in mourning who just want answers about what happened to their newborn babies 2 or 3 years ago, Rosemary.
Okay, lots of answers still to come. Thomas Degla, thank you very much.
Okay.
The accusations are chilling, and perhaps for Toronto residents, they may bring to mind another case from nearly 40 years ago. Nurse Susan Nellis became the focus of attention for a string of unusual newborn deaths at Toronto's Hospital for Sick Children. She was initially charged with 4 murders, but a judge dismissed the case at a preliminary inquiry. In recent years, experts have suggested the deaths may have been caused by a chemical compound used in IV lines and some syringes at the time, but that has not been proven. Those deaths are still being treated as unsolved murders.